What's up, guys? We are back here with another auto auction update. Man, if you haven't already, we got a couple of decent cars here today. Who knows what the auction is going to be like with this little Corona stuff we got going on. We'll get into what they got, man. So let's get into it. Alrighty, guys, we got a 07 Chevy Cobalt here. Looks like 137,000 miles. Pretty good looking car from a first glance. We can pop this hood really quickly. No brake fluid in there. 136K. Lights could be restored. Let's pop this thing open. Let's see if we see anything. Got some decent little cloth interior. Nothing too crazy. Everything is intact. Back seat's got a little stains. No worries. Pretty decent. Body is all intact. Tires look to be in pretty good condition as well. This may be something decent to bid on. What you guys think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, next up, man, we got an 08 Scion TC here. Looks like 135,000 miles. Pretty good looking car if you ask me. First glance, no body damage, so that's a plus, man. You guys know we like the Scion TCs, but we haven't seen one in a great enough condition to where I just wanted to grab on it. Wanted to grab it, but fresh little Scion TC here, man. Everything under here looks to be intact. Looks like a few new parts. Looks like a brand new alternator, brand new starter, if you will. Looks like they put a little bit of time and effort into this car, just kept it up to date. Wheels look all right, no big deal. Let's take a look at the inside. Black cloth. Pretty decent little Scion here. It actually looks really good on the inside, so this will definitely be something we can bid on tonight. I'm hoping not a lot of people comes. I'm hoping nobody comes at all, because this will be probably the best one in my eye to get. I like this one so far. I always wanted like a Scion TC. So we'll see how this goes, man. What you guys think about it, let me know in the comments below. Next up, guys, we got a 2013 Kia Rio here. Looks like 57,000 miles, man. The back window looks to be broken out, unfortunately. You're missing a hubcap here, no big deal. 57,000 miles. I'm sure this thing runs and drives pretty smoothly. We can just, before we open this door, you guys know these new cars, you never know why they here, man. Somebody probably got murked in them, might be blood. We ain't seen blood in the driver's seat in a while, but this is like a police auction, so you never know what you might end up with. And actually, I might have spoke too soon. Look like something might have came through that window over there. It's a bunch of red right here on the seat. I don't know if that's blood or what, but I don't want to be the one to open that and figure it out. But we can just look this way. Yeah, I don't know what y'all think on the Kia Rio. I don't really want no more Kias after my last one, but you guys see what it is. Let me know what y'all think. Got a little Audi A4 here, a little 2004, 191,000 miles. It's the Quattro. So I don't know if that means it's really good or it's just the base model. V6 bi-turbo. So it's a twin turbo in this joint. 191 on the dash. All-wheel drive. Leather interior. Looks pretty fair. Looks pretty fair. I don't know. I mean, Audi is... Oh, it's the Audi A6. My bad. Yeah, Audi is really not my thing no more unless it's like a newer, up-to-date one. But like the older ones, oh, this is the S-Line model, so that explains the Quattro bi-turbo. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. We got another Cobalt here. This one actually looks like a 2010 Chevy Cobalt with 244,000 miles. You can see if it's cleaner than the other one. Well, yeah, it actually does look a little bit more cleaner than the other one. I mean, the mileage is pretty high. That mileage over there is pretty low. this one looks better than that one under the hood. But the inside is pretty whooped. Pretty whooped, man. Pretty whooped inside. Who knows? It might go for cheap though. 200 and some thousand miles. I don't think I'm gonna be the one to bid on it, but if you like it, I love it, man. We got a 2013 Nissan Maxima. This one actually has 105,000 miles, but unfortunately, it is salvage title, man. Don't mind my me talking right now, guys. It's like it's kind of cold out here, to be honest with you. Kind of cold, and I am shivering just a tad bit. Let's try to get. I don't know. I don't even really care. It's a salvage title Maxima 2013. Who knows why it's salvage? You guys can see the back, no big deal. Everything up here looks to be intact. It's a 2013, so it's a little bit, I mean, it's newer than most, but still old. It looked like it might have been sitting in some dirt. Maybe that's just from the auction, but no big deal. I don't know why it's salvage, so keep that in mind. Maybe they ran up on something. Who really knows? See, I'm trying. Okay. All right, there we go. I found it. I was being lazy. But no coolant in there. This hood is like freaking light as heck. What y'all think about it though, man? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 2007 Ford Mustang here. It's not the GT. It does have some, I guess, pretty decent tires on the front, so that's a plus. We pop this hood. V6, nothing too special about it. Nothing too special about it. 128,000 miles, drop top. Looks like some cloth, gray interior, kind of stained up in the back. Maybe they'll, ooh, wait. Oh my God, it stinks up in that joint. Yeah, I don't know what they had going on in here, man. It's like some days we get good cars, and then most of the time we've been getting like sketched out cars lately, man. Let me know what y'all think. I'm cool. We don't really want the 04 Elantra with 188,000 miles, even though, you know, Elantras are a thing, but really don't want one right now. We already got like a little bucket, so we're trying to look for something a little bit nicer here. We got a 2010 Nissan, looks like a Versa of some sort, 159,000 miles. Body looks fairly decent. Can pop under the hood really quick. Golly. Nothing that stands out. Battery is a little corroded. No big deal. You do have a donut on this wheel right here. 159,000 miles. Got a baby car seat in the back. Before we open this door, let's just look. All right, it's super dirty in here. I'll give y'all a look because y'all can smell it. But yeah, they got writing all on the door and stuff over there. Does this door close? Got some garbage there. Okay, that door does close. Wow, how long has this car been here, or that apple pie? That thing's turned white. The bottom of it is still green, but the top is turned white. That's crazy. But I mean, all in all, pretty fair, I guess. Super whooped in the inside, man. You're gonna have to have a guy like with a steam machine and everything to come out and get you right before you even hop in it. But let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, next up, man, we got a 2001 Honda Accord here. 2001 Honda Accord, 192,000 miles. It is the coupe, busting out the box. Got the leather tan interior. Pretty fair. Actually smells pretty decent in here. That's a plus. Everything looks to be intact, so that's cool. No body damage. All four wheels match. This may be something we can bid on here today too. Get these headlights back looking A1. Things are pretty wood, but all in all, looks pretty fair. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below. See, I was just saying how I didn't want no more kids, and what do you know? My old one pops right back up. But this one actually is like black, 158,000 miles, 2010. It's a Kia Forte, of course. We can just take a quick look at it. Does look exactly the same as the other one we got. Pretty decent interior though. Nothing really looks out of order. Looks pretty fair. If I can get it for like I don't know, if I can get it for like maybe $700-800, I wouldn't mind it. But anything more than that, it's not really worth it to me. But it's still a good looking car. What you guys think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. We're not interested in an 05 Honda Civic with a bad starter. Matter of fact, I mean, it's a bad starter, so if it's only a starter, that should be an easy fix. But it looks like they already like been messing with it, so who knows what's unplugged. But I feel like you'll still be able to get it running. It's no battery in there. Bad starter. You do got some tequila kickage on the side. Like, and with this virus and stuff going around, guys, I'm sure we're gonna be able to find like cheap deals and stuff. I mean, it's pretty beat in here though. I really wouldn't want this. Like, it's pretty beat. You can bring it back to life. Oh wow, yeah, no, you don't want this. You don't want this. I'm sorry I wasted your time. But I mean, you can always get a new trunk. You might be able to get a new trunk and save it. It don't look like these lines over here is like too bad. Honestly, just looks like the trunk took most of the damage. So you might be able to just get away with getting the trunk, but I think it is off a little bit. At least a new trunk and hinges for sure. What y'all think though? We don't want the Nissan. We definitely don't want another Century. Not the drop top GT Mustang. It's been pouring down rain. Let's see if mold is growing in here or something. Starting. We don't want it though. Little Volvo, negative. I don't know what this car is. Little accent or something, negative. Honda, negative. Monte Carlo, 252,000 miles. It's not the SS. Definitely not. My buddy had one of these and one that looked just like this, honestly, and it always gave him problems. So no, don't want the Dodge Caravan, Grand Cherokee. Definitely don't want the little Alero. Yeah, I got a few cars, but not much, nothing. 141,000 miles on this Buick Century, man. I really don't want to take another chance on one of these bad boys, but at 141,000, I gotta look at it. Oh yeah, this thing is clean. Okay, so this might be a diamond in the rough. This might be a diamond in the rough, guys. Got another Buick Century here. This may be another diamond in the rough, guys. We got a Buick Century here, 141,000 miles. Let's pop the hood on this bad boy. Tires are pretty worn, so they've been driving this joint. 141 on the dash. No parking sticker on the mirror, so this was probably taken from like a casino or some sort. This thing is really cleaned up. Really clean, but where is it? I remember on my last one, that transmission was dirty. Okay, so this transmission fluid is definitely red, so that's a plus. Oil is freaking good. It's like full synthetic. They wasn't playing because it's like super clear. So let me put that, oh yeah, I'm trying to put this back in here before anybody see me doing this because they ain't even looking at these. But this one is A1. I'll definitely sag that. Looks like they just put some brand new full synthetic oil in there, and the transmission fluid is red. So we're definitely going to keep our eye on this one. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. We definitely don't want the PT Cruiser at 91,000 miles. Wow. See, that's what's going to sell it. People are going to see miles. Oh, but it's a stick shift. Yeah, it's a stick shift. I don't want it. But anywho, people are going to see miles and they're going to be like, ooh, I need it. This is the same Kia Rio from last week. This one's got no spark. This one's got a bad fuel pump, bad motor. Looks like we got a 2001 Toyota Highlander here. Pretty little, cool little car, man. Let's just pop open this hood really quick. It's got, I don't know what that is, but looks pretty dirty under here. I mean, it is a 01 V6 VVT. I don't know what y'all think about these motors. I don't know if they're them. I don't know if they are that reliable. Oh my God, it's filthy. They had Doritos and everything in this joint. Police probably snatched them out when they was eating. Like, man, come on, man, I'm eating a Dorito. Eating Doritos, man. Snatched the man his bag off the car. At least that's my theory. But I'm not really sure if these cars are reliable. If you do know anything about them, let me know in the comments below, man. We got a nice little 05 Jeep Liberty here, man. And these wheels, they look dirty, but actually they're a nice little gray color. It makes this truck look like type new, like a real type off-roading vehicle. Oh man, sorry, I'm stumbling over my words today, man. My thoughts are everywhere today, but inside here is pretty whooped. I mean, it's a Jeep, so pretty good looking truck. 4x4, definitely can go off-roading in this thing. And it's trail rated. You got a couple of dings in the door, no big deal. Jeep Liberty. What y'all think about it? It does have some, look like some broken lights up here. Yeah. Don't really want the big old Dodge, but we'll take the Hummer, man. We got a 03 H2 Hummer with 136,000 miles. Pretty good looking truck. Black is looking nice. No body damage. This kind of reminds me of like Bad Boys 2. But, you know, they had a yellow one, of course, but really good looking truck. I've been wanting one since that movie. Wow. I don't think this is the one to get, though. This one's kind of been stripped up a little bit. I mean, it does look cool. It looks like they was trying to replace it with like some futuristic type dash. Kind of smells like gasoline in here. I don't know. But you may be able to get this thing for super cheap here today. This thing is a gas guzzler. I really don't want it. I'd like to have it, but I really don't want it. Unless I'm just like going off-road every now and then. But I mean, if you like it, I love it, man. What y'all think about the Hummer H2, let me know in the comments below. So alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. We got into a few cars today here, but the ones that are promoted in the front are probably not gonna be the one I'm gonna win. The one I think I'm gonna win probably is that Buick Century in the back. I remember the last one I got from here. It was pretty clean as well, around the same mileage. However, I didn't check the fluids. The fluids on this one, like the fluids on that one was black, and you can tell that, you can see like, now I see now that, you know, checking the fluids on stuff that I really like is a lot better. So I checked the fluids. Automatic transmission fluid was red. The oil was fresh, like synthetic oil. It didn't look milky or nothing at all, so that's a plus, man. So we'll see what we can do here today, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I don't know, you guys asked me about the little coronavirus. Is it like interrupting your business? Is people not buying right now? I honestly don't really know. I know I'm really not spending much, like outside of just like food and regular bills and stuff. I'm not really out like spending anything else, but I am open to buying cars and stuff if I can get a deal. If I can't get a deal, I just won't buy it. But I don't know. We'll see how it works out, man. Let me know how it is in your area. If you guys sell cars or sell anything, is business slowed up right now? Let me know in the comments below.